Hello everybody, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a table of contents automatically in Word in 2025. Okay, how do you do it? So right now I have some sample text with a bunch of garbage. So you're going to highlight the main title, and this will be very important. So on the very top, you go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab, you can click on this. You're going to see a couple of different headings, 1, 2, and 3. You can right click on this and modify it to change what it looks like, but let's keep it default for now. So I'm going to do heading 1, subtitle 2, I'm going to put this as heading 2, subtitle, I'm going to put this as heading 3, and I'm going to go through and put the rest of these as heading 2, heading 2, heading 2. Okay, now that you've done this, what you can do, and by the way, after you've done this, you can click this little button and you can have this do this. Okay, now you click where you want the table of contents to be. So you click that, you go to references on the top, you find table of contents on the left hand side, you click that. I'm going to click the very top one, although there are a couple of different ones, and here you go. It's an automatically created table of contents. By the way, if you click on control and one of these, it will jump to where that is. That is very useful. Okay, now what happens if I change main title, if I just change it to main? So this will not update automatically, but you can click on this, click on update title, and you can choose to update page numbers only or update the entire table. If I do page numbers only, this will not update, but if I do click on this entire table, this will update. And that is it. That is how you automatically create the table of contents in Word.